Snoring. We're all heard of it. But why does it happen? When you sleep, the muscles in your throat relax. For some people, that narrows the airway. As air pushes through, the tissues surrounding the throat vibrate. And that vibration is snoring. It's more common if you're overly tired, overweight, have nasal congestion, or sleeping on your back. Most of the time, snoring is just noise. But if it's loud, nightly, or comes with gaps for air, it could be sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing stops briefly. And it can be dangerous. So remember, snoring might seem harmless, but sometimes it's your body's way of asking for help.